Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a very simple DIY, and this is basically to remove suntan from your face. Also, this will also help to remove any acne mark or scars that you've had in the past, okay? But you have to be a little regular with this face mask. That means you have to use it at least twice to thrice in a week. So let's see what do we have in our kitchen. So first things first, very important ingredient that I'm using is rice. Okay, this is basically rice water. So what I have done is I have taken 1 spoon of rice, washed it thoroughly and let it sit for 2 hours in water, which is close to half cup of water. Okay, I'm not going to use the entire water because I am also going to make a face toner with this. Alright, sorry. The second ingredient that we are going to use is any guesses? Tomato. Yes, we just require 1 spoon of tomato juice in it. The last and the final ingredient that we're going to use is gram flour. So let's see how do we make this. For that we need to get onto our skincare chair. So let's start with the how to make this face mask. For that I need 1 spoon of gram flour. Okay, to that I am going to add 2 spoons of this rice water. Okay, now to that I'm going to add, I've just cut a very small piece of the tomato and I'm going to add whatever the pulp is and the juice of it. Just need very little. Let's mix this well. It should look something like this. Okay. Now I have cleaned my face, washed my face, and there is no moisturizer, oil, serum, anything on my face. To a fresh face, I'm going to apply this face pack. Make sure you do a patch test before you apply any face mask. Very important. I'm not sure if you guys have watched my previous video on which I have shown how you can take care of your skin while wearing a mask. Basically a skincare routine when you have mask or face mask on for a very long time in the day. The face mask is on. I'm going to leave it for 15 minutes or till the face mask has been semi-dry. Once it's semi-dry or it's 15 minutes, I will come back. Till then, enjoy your coffee, enjoy your drink. Now that my skin is semi-dry and I feel a little tight, what I'm going to do is, without wasting the tomato that I had used to remove the juice, I'm just going to scrub it slowly and thoroughly on my face. Now that I have massaged my skin with tomato, okay, I'm gonna go and wash my face with lukewarm water and come back with a fresh face. I have cleaned my face, washed my face thoroughly, and now the next step is ice. Yes, I've become a huge fan of using ice on my face because really it freshens the skin. It minimizes the pores and just gives you a very fresh look. So I'm going to take an ice cube, take a muslin cloth and just dab it. Now that I'm feeling super duper fresh, I'm going to apply my serum, and my serum requires me to keep my face damp, so I'm just going to make it a point and just apply it. And I'm going to let this dry and then apply my moisturizer. So a lot of you have asked me which serum do I use. I tend to use the ordinary serum, which is the hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. So it's a serum for dry skin, and this has really helped me to keep the flaky skin that I normally have, which is very dry in extreme summers and extreme winters. It helps me keep that away. Now that the serum has dried, I'm going to apply my favorite moisturizer, which is the Nivea. Please remember to massage your face really well. Trust me guys, when you massage your face regularly, you will see a huge difference in your skin. And then do not forget your lips, which is, I use pure Vaseline. So that's about it. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for all your support. I really need them. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and be good. I love you all. Bye.